Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine Dog Food with Paw Patrol. There will be a pup or a rider waiting at each end of the track, and whoever's on the losing side falls into a dog bowl and gets covered in dog food.
Dog food? Ew, yuck!
Yeah, that's really disgusting.
Not if you're a dog, they'll like it. Phew! Finally, we can just relax and enjoy the competition. Yeah, this is gonna be so much fun.
Starting things off, it's James versus Steven. Bye-bye, Marcel. Hey, there's no dog food for Marcel. Ooh, here comes some. Looks chunky, I hope you like it. And now, Charlie versus Dan. You're both. Oh, poor Rocky. Now he has to fall into slimy dog food. Oh no, here's some more dog food. Someone's gonna have to get a hose and hose these dogs off. Ew, that dog food's so gross. Next up, Thomas versus Royal Spencer. Whoa, Wubble, you're spinning around like crazy. Some yummy doggy treats. Finishing off the quarterfinals, it's Freddie versus GATOR. What's it, Everest? You don't want to hurt Wubble. Hey, Everest, I hope you like dog food all over your face. Semi-finals, Steven versus Dan. Oh, here comes Sky. You know what that means, more dog food. Enjoy, doggies, enjoy. Ew, that was so gross. Dan goes on to the finals. Who will he face, Thomas or Freddie? Do over. Okay, let's try again. Freddie just doesn't want to give up. Bye-bye, Ryder. Ryder, why are you crying? It's only dog food. It's not that bad. Final round, Thomas versus Dan. Maybe Robot Dog can save Ryder. Whoa, Dan just fell off the track too. Good thing he didn't fall into a bowl of dog food. Yuck, here comes more slimy dog food. I can barely see any of them anymore. Thomas the Tank Engine wins dog food with Paw Patrol. Thanks for watching. Be sure to click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Do you have a dog?